Welcome to Dalfin. In this video, we'll guide you through configuring the do-while loop event in Dalfin's workflow to automate processes based on user input. To begin, drag and drop a UI trigger into the workflow, provide a meaningful title and description, select the required method, menu, and window, choose the location where the trigger should be placed. Here, we are selecting Toolbar and then save the trigger. Next, pull in the do-while loop event block, add a title and description, and save it. Click Configure do-while loop to set up its logic. Now, pull in the Create a Record block, provide a title and description, and configure it by selecting the System, Menu, and Window. In the Data Settings, allow users to input the final amount while adding other fields such as title, quantity, description, customer name, customer email, discount, and amount statically. After setting up the fields, save the configuration. Next, click Edit in the If block, provide a title and description. Navigate to the Settings section to add a condition for breaking the loop. This can be done using either the form method or data carry calculation. In this example, the loop should continue running until the final amount reaches 5,000, then it should stop. To configure this, select Data Carry Calculation, choose the final amount field, set the relation, enter 5,000 as the value, and save the configuration. Once everything is set up, connect the workflow and publish it. Finally, navigate to the window where the trigger is placed and execute the workflow. First, input an amount, for example, 100, and save it. The loop continues. Enter another amount, for example, 5,110. It will still ask for input. Finally, input 5,000, and the loop will break. The predefined static data will be recorded along with the user inputted amount. This is how you can configure and use the do-while loop event in Dalfin's workflow. Thank you for choosing Dalfin.